Hey everybody, I wonder if I can zoom this in. Okay, I'm going to open the first package, and this is from Maggie White. Hi everybody, this is a package that I got last week. I'm hoping I can get this on camera. This is from Maggie, and I will blur out the address. I ordered this while I was waiting for my order from Esme. So excited after my first Crafty Me Shop live sale. I couldn't wait, and I had to order what I could find. Okay. I've had this for over a week, I think. Over a week. My goodness. Should really package this well. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited. So this order's from Maggie. I've got a light. I don't know if you can see. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna go. You can see right here. Put that right there in case that won't show up. I have this light. This thing is, oh my goodness, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I wish I had my ruler. This is, should I have my ruler? Where's my ruler? Let's see if I can find a ruler. Here. Very sorry, I don't have a ruler in the room, but and look how beautiful that looks. Oh wow. So excited about this. I waited a while so I could gather all my materials that I needed. I love this size. Look at that. Just a perfect size. Hope you can see this clear. And if not, I'll zoom it so I can zoom it. I can zoom it. Let's see what I'm looking at right here. And this one, beautiful color. Oh, love it. Thank you so much. I love this. So excited to start my projects now that I have more materials or lace. Oops. So sorry. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. I'm loving this. Look at this. Wow. What? I love it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, let me get, I think I need to get a darker background. This is lighter. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I forgot to put my light on. Oh, there. Okay. Hope that it's showing up on the camera. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Maybe I'll take out this so you could see better. Look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that amazing? Oh, and look at this. Look at this. Oh, gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look at that. It's like there's a bottom layer, second and a third, and there's like a pearl bead in the center. Oops, some of my hair, sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. Wow. Look at this. Like a black. How beautiful that is. A nice tulle. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I have so much ideas, so many ideas for this. Love that. Thank you. I have a nice sand colored one. Put this out of the way. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I hope you can see that. I'm really hoping you can see this. Hope you can see that. Wow, I love it. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love this. Here's another piece. Beautiful. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is cool. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, isn't that pretty? I love this. Oh my gosh, it makes me so happy. So many, much more choices. Oh, I love this. That's a nice pale pink color to the center. I love this. Thank you so much. Let me put this together here. Oh, whoops. I'm not sitting on a chair. I'm actually standing here. Right here. Let me clear this area. Wow. That is wonderful. I am just excited. And I have this. Oh, oh my gosh. It's just... Oh. What am I seeing? Isn't this beautiful? Oh, look at that. Oh, such beautiful trim. Oh, wow. Can't find any type of lace like this or trimmings anywhere in our area. Oh, look at this color. How to describe this color? It's like a very light peachy beige. Look at that. Oh my gosh, maybe I should put this linen right under it so you could see it better. I hope you can see that better. Look how it has a sparkly in the center. Oh, I love it. Look at that. And look at this right next to it. It's so gorgeous. Look at these colors, guys. Isn't that beautiful? It's so pretty. Oh, I love this. Oh, I have a bunch of it. Look at that. And this one. Oh my god, look at this application. Oh my goodness. Oh, I am in heaven. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. How pretty that is. I just love these. It's like shaped like a flower. There's the leaves and there's the petals and the sequins. Oh, I love how those sequins are really beautiful, but it's not too much, but it just adds that little interest to the center and the edge. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love it so much. Thank you. Thank you, Maggie. I'm trying to put this nicely back together. Oh, I'm so pleased with this. Oh, wow. I love it so much. Okay. Oh, look at these more colors here. Oh, look at this. Look at this applique. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Look how pretty that is. Wow. I'm gonna bring this one back here so you could see. Look at that. Look at those colors together. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's so beautiful. Oh, I love this color. Just springy, pretty bright color. I love it. You want some more of this? A whole bunch of these. Wow. Wait a second. Yeah, look at those centers. It's so pretty. Look at the center of that. And I have this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Wow, guys. Look at this rose. Isn't that beautiful? Let me move this to the side so you can see. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love these colors. It's so beautiful. Wow. Okay, let me put this on the side. Oh, I'm so in love with this trim. Beautiful. I love this. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness, look at that. Can you guys see that? I hope it's clear in the camera. Let me see. It's not. Right there. Open it up. Oh my goodness, look at this with a little dangling. Oh, wonderful. With a cameo in the center. Isn't that so pretty? This is so great. This is just so perfect for the project that I have in mind for this. Wow. Yes, I love it. Perfect size. I can even put this right behind it. Something like this. To the side of it. Or around it. Beautiful. I love it. Oh, goodness. Look at that. Okay. That's gorgeous. I love that. Thank you. Oh, look at this fabric. I love this. I believe it's gingham is the style of print. Isn't that pretty? And look at this. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Let me zoom out. Hope it's not too zoomed in, guys. Okay. I love it. It's so pretty. Thank you. Oh, look at this. What? Isn't this cool? I'm gonna open this up so you can see it better. It's so cool. There's images of flowers and that old-fashioned bike. Oh, and lettering and calligraphy. And some flowers here. Wonderful. I love this. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I love it. I love this. I just adore this. Oh, so happy. And that was all. This is from Maggie. Thank you so much. I love it. I'm so thrilled to get this. So I'm going to have to end this part so I could open up my package from Esme for part 2. Thanks for watching.